Hello, everybody. I want to talk to you guys today about using the boundary point to solve an inequality. Okay, so the solution to an inequality is not going to be just a single point. It's going to be a collection of points, which we call a solution region. Okay, and the way that we find that solution region is to find this boundary point. Okay, so how do we find the boundary point? Well, here we go. First, you want to find the boundary point, change your inequality to an equation, and then solve it. Okay, so here we go. Let's take our inequality and we're going to change it to 2x minus 9 is equal to 11, right? Solve this equation. This one, we've been doing this all year. Add 9 to both sides, we get 2x is equal to 20. And then from here, we can actually divide by 2. So we get that x is equal to 10. Now, this right here is the boundary point. That's how you find the boundary point. All right, so here's your boundary point. And what you want to do is you want to take this boundary point, place it on a number line. Okay, so let's say that right here is 10. So this boundary point is going to create two different regions on our number line. Values that are less than 10, values that are greater than 10. Now, our inequality is less than. It does not have an equal to component. So our boundary point is going to be an open point. Now, what you want to do to find the solution region is going to be, the solution region is going to be here or it's going to be there. So you want to test a point from each region. Always choose 0 for whatever region that you're in. 0 is going to make the easiest computation. Okay, it'll be the easiest computation. 0 is in this region. Let's try it. X equals 0. We'll test x equals 0. Over here, we're going to test x equals 11. Okay. All right. So here's what happens when we plug in x equals 0 to our original inequality. 2 times 0, take away 9. And we want to see if this is less than 11. Is negative 9 less than 11? This is true. Okay, so we want to test the other region. Okay, you always got to test both regions. So test x equals 11. 2 times 11, take away 9. We want to see if this is less than 11. Okay, so 22, take away 9. We're checking to see if this is less than 11. 13 is less than 11. No, that's false. So this means that the solution region is right here. The solution region is this right here. Here is our solution region. So the solution region is x less than 10. Okay, this is the solution region for our inequality, of 2x minus 9 less than 11. The solution region is x less than 10.